Marlys, Edmonds, and this is Agri-Prairie Insurance, and we're in Big Sandy, Montana. This is Larry Meyers. And we've had this business for quite a few years, and Larry farms outside of Big Sandy a little ways. So we specialize only in crop insurance, and keeps us pretty busy. We really try to do everything we can to make their job easier, and with everything changing and the regulations getting harder and harder and more strict, we try to do everything we can to make life easy if we can.
I think, previously it was a lot more production risk, where now the production risk isn't as much. It's more of the volatility of markets. In fact, over the last 2 days, wheat markets went up about 60 cents. Last week they were down $1. So that's where the risk really is. And for livestock producers, same thing. Some of our producers we see every day.
Because we are just crop insurance, it is really nice. We have a really nice relationship there. And so we have a lot of people that come in and they'll just stop in for coffee, and it's not quite as busy in the winter time. So we have a lot of time to visit and have those relationships, and then you kind of know what they're doing and what's going on because you're talking to them more. And there's little things that I think when there's changes on their policy, they don't always think to tell you in their operation if names change and things like that. So it's good because we talk to them so much. It's really about maintaining your family farm and maintaining a community, and crop insurance really does help. If you get hailed on and it takes out most of your crop, can you survive, or are you going to lose your family farm? And the effect that it's going to be on the community and what you already owe that's out there. One thing that was interesting to me is this business has been around for 20 years at least, and it was mostly with one company. And at one time we ran a list, and it showed how much a farmer had paid since they started their policy, say in the early 80s, how much money they had put in premiums, and having a total there of what they had for losses. It was huge. And if you look at that as an investment, it was a no-brainer. And it only takes 1 year out of 10 to make up for everything you paid. And you do have that. You see it every 10 years. It seems like there's a bad drought or something that happened, and are you going to lose your farm then? Is it worth it?
Well, in agriculture and farming, grains and so on, this is one of the only businesses that you can guarantee yourself an income with crop insurance. So you can go out there and take that risk, and who knows what's going to happen, if we're going to have rain, or if it's just going to dry up and the wind's going to blow all summer, but you know that you've got income to live and to manage your expenses. Not many businesses can do that, but yes, there's a cost to that, paying premiums.